Again, we don't have the jury instructions yet, and I'd like you to touch on that. I think in a case like this, boy, the jury instructions, Stephanie, are going to be, utmost important. So the jury potentially could come back with manslaughter charges.
So if it's asked for and if it's agreed upon, yes, it can be a lesser included kind of offense. But the judge would have to conclude that the evidence supports a manslaughter theory, and then they would give that instruction. And then both sides could definitely make arguments about whether or not they want it or not. Since we don't have the final jury instructions, it's going to be interesting to see what each side asks for and what they're willing to agree on. So it'll be really interesting to see how those instructions, but I do agree with you, John, it's going to come down to really important jury instructions, because at the end of the day, they've heard so much evidence and everything like that, and they get presented with the exhibits and stuff like that, and hopefully they'll get presented with copies of the jury instructions. But that whole jury instruction is going to be critical in this case for how the jury deliberates and the steps they take.